Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find SIRIUS satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror, universal garage door opener. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.